Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So, as you can tell from the title, today we're going to be playing with these brand new goodies from Anastasia Beverly Hills. So I do want to start off this video by saying a huge thank you to Anastasia Beverly Hills and Norvina for sending this to me. However, you guys know, as always, if something's shit, I'ma call it out. So let's go. So we have the brand new glosses here. We have the brand new liquid glows, and I don't have the originals of these. I only have these, so I'm gonna give these a go as well, even though they might be a little bit too deep for me. We'll figure it out. Then, of course, we have the Anastasia X Norvina Palette. This PR package I will probably never throw out ever because it is just so beautiful. So as you can tell, I have my base and brows already done. I have not set anything with powder though on my face, only on my eyes. This is what the unit carton looks like for the Norvina palette, and it has all of the ingredients and details on the back of the unit carton. That is what the gorgeous palette looks like. It's in, once again, that same felt suede kind of material that gets dirty quite quickly, but you know what, it's fine because like this is what Anastasia Beverly Hills is known for with their palettes. So anyway, and when you open it up, oh my god. So the colors that stand out to me the most is this one here, that and that. Like I think I want to play with those tones today. I don't know, they're so pretty. Okay, my bad guys, I'm back. I just wanted to get some more info about this for you guys. So this palette launches on the 17th, so today, the day that I'm filming this. So by the time you guys see this, it would have already launched by now. You can find it internationally on the Anastasia Beverly Hills website. It's launching in Ulta.com on the 5th of August and the 7th of August in store. You can also find it in Nordstrom and Sephora in JCPenney from the 17th of August onwards. I'm pretty sure this palette will retail for the same amount as their other palettes, which is $42 American. I don't have any shipping information because once again, this was sent to me in PR, so I don't know about shipping, I'm sorry. This palette is made in the USA and the brush is made in China. The amount of product that you're getting is 0.71 grams of product in this entire palette, which is 0.02 ounces each eyeshadow. Once again, I don't really understand that because typically each eyeshadow is about a gram or two of product. I don't know. I gotta look that up. Opening up this palette, I couldn't smell any fragrance or anything like harsh, like chemicals. I couldn't smell anything like that. The shelf life is 18 months, which is such a long time on this palette, considering that all of their other palettes are 6 months. Subculture is 6 months. Modern Renaissance is 6 months, Soft Glam is 18 months, I didn't realize that, and Prism is 6 months as well. So once again, I think that the 18-month shelf life is a really, really good amount of time to use this palette. Once again though, with like Subculture and Modern Renaissance, I've had them for over a year, and I haven't seen any spoiling or anything going wrong with those. So like we're fine. And this palette does claim to be cruelty-free as well, vegan. Doesn't say. Obviously it would say vegan if it was, but it doesn't, so there are obviously ingredients in this that make it not vegan. I don't know what shades aren't vegan, so look it up. So here is the palette. As you guys can see, there are 7 shimmers and 7 mattes, which I love. And these shimmers look gorgeous. They look really foiled, and I just can't wait to dig into this. So I've already primed my lids with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I've already set that down so that way we can save time, I don't know. First shade I'm gonna dip into is this shade Eccentric right here. It's kind of like a mustardy orange shade. I wish that they kind of got rid of Incense, this one here, and replaced it with like a bright orange, or just made this orange a lot brighter, just because I don't want to purchase Huda Beauty, but I want that Desert Dust kind of palette look in a palette. You guys know why I don't support Huda Beauty, but anyway. Okay, so taking a Stellazzi L216 brush to dip into Eccentric. You get a decent amount of product, not much kickback. Just going to start buffing that through my crease. That shade's blending really nice. Okay, so far, so good. I really do want to use this shade Celestial all over the lid, and I think I want to use Dazzling like in the inner corner. Let me swatch this shade. Oh wow, that's really, really pretty. That definitely has shimmer in it. Oh, it's kind of like, that's so odd. So it definitely has a sheen, but it's not like a traditional shimmer where you can see like the reflect. Like it's such an odd shade. I'm gonna dip into the shade Passion, this kind of more burgundy shade. Oh, and obviously this palette comes with a mirror, as always. Oh, that's fucking pretty. Now, a lot of people are comparing this palette to Soft Glam, saying that they look the exact same. I feel like if you took out the pops of purple, they look pretty much the fucking same. Mine's like fucked up because I use it so much, but Soft Glam definitely has all of your different undertones in your matte shades, whereas this mainly has, it has a couple of cool shades, but as you can see, like, it has like these warm ones out here, it has like the pink, so I kind of see where people are going with that, but at the same time, they are different. So, whatever. So far, there is no fallout under my eyes at all, and I haven't even set my concealer down or anything, just because I do want to use those cream highlights like I said earlier. So, both of these shades are blending out really, really nicely. Not that I'm surprised, because they fucking aced Soft Glam. Soft Glam's such a beautiful palette. Okay, so I am gonna dip into a little bit of Incense, and there's a lot of kick up with this particular shade, but I'm just using that shade to buff out the top here. Moving on to the lid, I'm gonna grab my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm gonna use this to cut the crease. You guys know I love me a cut crease. And I just kind of pat out this outer corner, just so that way the concealer blends in a little bit easier to the shadow we just put on. So I'm now gonna go in and use the shade Celestial, this one here. I think I want to take that using my finger because I don't want to fuck it up. You know what, no, let's actually take it with a brush and just see, because if it fucks up with the brush, I can just go over it with my hands. That's how much product is picking up. Okay, so it's not picking up that much. Yeah, okay, finger works a million times better. There we go. Okay, so I've just popped that on the center of the lid, and I've left the inner corner bare because I do want to use a different shade. Alright, so I'm gonna take that brush again, just because yeah, okay. And I think I'm gonna go in with let me scratch that. Oh wow, holy fuck, that is so pigmented. What about Dreamer? Okay, so they are super pigmented. I think Dazzling is gonna be a little bit too dark for the inner corner, so I'm gonna take Dreamer. That picked up so well on my brush. Fuck me up. This is fucking stunning. Oh my god. Once again, I am getting fallout. It's okay, I'll go over my concealer in a minute. Can we just take a minute? How beautiful is that? Oh wow. That shade Celestial, guys, is super crumbly though. Like, it does fall down. I think we're gonna mix the shades Love and Passion to kind of diffuse over the outer third. I'm gonna dip into Love. That is super pigmented. Oh yeah, okay, just taking Love on its own. I don't know if you guys can tell, but basically that just creates a little bit more of a fade between here and here. Okay guys, so I'm quickly gonna pop on some liner, lashes off camera, and then I will be right back. I literally always tell myself I'm not gonna do winged liner. And here we are. Alright guys, so I just popped on my lashes and I cleaned up my concealer under my eyes a little bit more. So for lashes, I use my Bouquet Beauty Stellar lashes, and these are like, besides Naomi, these are like my second most used lashes in my entire collection. If you guys don't know, I do have my own lash line, so I'll leave that link down below if you guys are interested. They are 3D foam ink lashes, all synthetic, double stacked for extra drama, because we all know I like the drama. And yeah, I'll leave that down below for you guys. Okay, so we did a baby wing. This is what I call a baby wing. All right, Jacob. Now they did also send this lip product as well. So they sent like this cute as little Anastasia Beverly Hills bag, and then they also sent, oh fuck, this is gonna be beautiful. This is the Violet Liquid Lipstick. Okay, I think I'm using that for my lips. Yep, I do wanna move on to the cream highlights though. So here we have 3 brand new shades. I think this one is the lightest. So here we have Rose Gold, here we have Penny, and here we have Patina. So I honestly think these all may be a little bit too deep for me. Okay, so there they are. These are definitely gonna be too dark for me. At least when I'm fake tan, I think I'll be able to use Penny. So I'll use these in a future video. I apologize. I think it's fitting to take the Anastasia Beverly Hills and Amrezy highlighter. I'm gonna take that. And I'm just gonna pop it, yeah, right there, hun. Like, yes, it is just a gold highlighter, but it doesn't fade as quickly as some other highlights that I've used. Like this one here and the Charabella Charlie's Glow are my two favorites that I use almost every single time I do my makeup, especially Charlie's Glow. Okay, you know what? I'm actually gonna go ahead and do the rest of my face off camera just because this is nothing to do with the actual review, and then I'll come back and then we'll try out the lip products. Okay guys, so I just finished doing the rest of my face off camera. I used the Anastasia Beverly Hills blush kit in Radiance, and then in my waterline I actually used this Marc Jacobs Deja Blue liner. It's just like a kohl pencil. Pop that in my waterline, pop some mascara on my lower lashes, and then for my eyeshadow under my eyes, in with Eccentric, that orange shade, all the way through, and then I pop salt on the inner part of my lower lash line, some Passion on the outer part, and then I just blended it all with that shade Eccentric, and I think it looks really, really cool. Can't really see that shade Soul as much as I would like to, but it's okay. We're gonna get through this. Now for lips, I think it's fitting if we go in with the Violet Liquid Lipstick. Just pop this straight on, honestly. Oh my god, that color is beautiful. Okay, as gorgeous as this lip color is, I don't think it goes, okay, it goes with what I'm wearing at the moment, but I don't think it goes perfectly. So I'm gonna keep this on and I'm gonna pop on some of the glosses over the top and just see what they look like. Okay, so I'm gonna dip into some of these. So there are 5 really metallic glosses. Now, I've seen pictures of these and they look the exact same once they're all on the lips. Like, they don't look any different. Alright, I'm gonna go in with this one here. This is the shade Venus. Oh wow. Holy fuck. Oh my god, they smell amazing as well. How cool is that? I just popped a little bit through the center and like on the bottom lip, as you guys just saw. It has like a pinkish gold and purple reflect to it. I think that is so cool. Alright, let me take this off and then we'll pop them on over bare lips and just see how they look. I'm gonna try the shade Sunscape, which is like this really, really gorgeous, like beigey pink. Oh, wow. Oh wow, that is beautiful. Oh my god. That is such a beautiful shade. Oh, I'm obsessed. Okay, next. This is once again the shade Venus. Oh wow, okay. Oh, this is fucking beautiful. Okay, so this is definitely different to the other one. The other one was a lot more creamy, gold-ish. This definitely has more of a silver, cool tone reflex to it. I'm still fucking living. I love it. Next shade is Estella. My last name. Thanks, Norvina. Okay, so this shade reminds me a lot of the last one. It still looks quite icy and quite cool tone. They do feel super smooth. Like, my lips feel so hydrated, honestly. So buttery. And don't worry guys, I am getting all the glitter off just to make sure that there's no like overlap. And then the second last one is the shade Freya, which is like a gorgeous gold. Oh wow. Okay, that has a pink reflect to it for sure. Kind of looks like the others, but in person it looks a lot more pink. Like the reflex and the glitter looks a lot more pink on my lips rather than icy in the monitor. Last but not least is Luna. This is just like a yellow. Oh, okay. Yeah, this is definitely yellow. But that's really fucking pretty actually. I actually really like that. It looks a lot more yellow like in person, like not yellow but more of like a gold in person than it does on the monitor. I think my favorite one is the second one that I tried, which was Venus. Yeah, Venus. I think Venus is my favorite one. Not to say that the others are ugly, like they're fine, but they all kind of look the same. But in person you can tell them a little bit different. But you know what though? I'm honestly not that fussed about that because I really, really like a translucent gloss that just gives like glitter or shimmer. So honestly, like, I'm so fine with having more clear glosses with just the glitter. I'm gonna pop Venus back on because this is just like my favorite. Alright guys, so that concludes this first impressions video on the Norvina palette and the glosses as well. Would I recommend these glosses? I don't see why not. If you don't already have these in your collection, like if you want really sparkly, glittery glosses, these are up there for sure. Like this one here, the gold one, the last one that I tried on. This reminds me a lot of the Dose of Colors Desi X Katie gloss. I'm pretty sure they are so similar. So if you are looking for a replacement of that, maybe grab one of these. Other than that, these glosses are really, really nice. I personally don't have glosses like this in my collection, so I will be keeping some of these. I'll probably give some of them away as well because you really only need like 1 or 2. This Norvina palette is fucking stunning. I think I do definitely want to do a 1 month, 1 palette kind of series with this, so if you guys want to see that, give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. The mattes blended out super, super nicely. They weren't too pigmented, nothing like the Subculture palette. Really, really comparable to the Soft Glam palette in terms of formula. Like the formula is beautiful. They blended well, they went on the lid well, they crumbled a little bit, just like a little bit. Like you might need to be careful, maybe just do your eyes first and then your foundation last. But honestly, after I touched up my concealer and popped some powder on, you can't really tell. So would I recommend this palette? 100%. I would say go ahead and grab it if you've been eyeing it off like I have been. Like I know that personally, if I wasn't going to get this in PR, I was going to buy this 100%. So yeah, as I said, if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Once again, let me know down below if you want to see a 1 month, 1 palette series on this, and I will do it. It will probably have to be in a couple of months time because I'm currently in the middle of filming my Subculture 1 month, 1 palette, and then I think I do want to do the Luna Beauty Life's a Drag 1 month, 1 palette video on that as well. So anyway, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I hope you all enjoyed. I will leave the next video over my face so you guys can go and check it out, and I'll just wait. I'll just sit here and wait. Make sure you subscribe right there as well, please. Thank you so much. Why haven't you clicked yet? What are you waiting for? You got nothing to do? You might as well. Like just have it on as like background noise or whatever. Just like do your ironing and watch my video. Just do something. Drink a glass of wine. Have a meal. Maybe you should do a mukbang next.